Hey, how's everybody today? I don't know how well you guys can see this, but we're having a blizzard. I don't know how well you guys can see all this, but yeah, she's blizzard, man. And let's just say she's a little exciting driving on this stuff. But got stuff to do, right? I'm gonna go pick up some lumber at the new house we bought. Gotta get some work done to it. So, yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little view of a blizzard in northern Canada. It's a good day. I don't have to worry about cops on days like this. They're too busy doing other shit with accidents and people. Worry about this old outlaw driving when he ain't supposed to. Okay. But yeah, you can't give her too much gas here. We'll be going fucking sideways. These old trucks and that, they don't have all that fancy anti-lock brake and all that shit on it, right? Okay, everybody be safe, and as always, a cat.